Hello everyone, my name is Manjot. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to study and learn very important topic, and the name of the topic is quadrilateral. So let's first understand what is a quadrilateral. So the definition of quadrilateral says any four-sided closed figure is called as quadrilateral. That means if you observe here, I have drawn one geometrical figure. If you observe this figure very closely, it has total four sides and it is closely packed. So this is said to be a quadrilateral. Similarly, if you observe here, this is also geometrical figure with four sides and it is closely packed, so this is also a quadrilateral. Similarly, I have drawn one more quadrilateral over here with four sides and it is closely packed. So any geometrical figure which has four sides and it is closely packed is called as quadrilateral. Remember, this is very important. Now let's understand quadrilateral in more detail. So here I have drawn one quadrilateral ABCD, and if you observe this quadrilateral ABCD, it has total four sides AB, BC, DC and AD. So quadrilateral has total four sides, from which there are two pairs of opposite sides. See, observe AB. Side opposite to AB is CD. So AB and CD are the pairs of opposite side. Similarly, if you observe AD, side opposite to AD is BC. So AD and BC are the pairs of opposite side. So we have two pairs of opposite sides. Similarly, if you observe AD, the side next to AD is DC. So this AD and DC are said to be adjacent side. So we have four pairs of adjacent sides. See, observe, AD and DC are adjacent side. Similarly, DC and BC are also adjacent side. Similarly, BC and AB are adjacent side, and AB and AD are adjacent side. So we have two pairs of opposite side and we have four pairs of adjacent side. Similarly, observe carefully, we have total four angles in which there are two pairs of opposite angle and four pairs of adjacent angle. See, if you observe angle A, observe A carefully. Angle A, opposite angle with angle A is angle C. So A and C are the pairs of opposite angle. Similarly, angle B has opposite angle as angle D. And in same manner we can find adjacent angle also. See, if you observe angle A, adjacent angle of angle A is B. So A and B are the adjacent angle. Then if you observe B, B and C are the adjacent angle. Then if you observe C, C and D are the adjacent angle. And lastly we have D and A as the adjacent angle. So there are two pairs of opposite angle and there are four pairs of adjacent angles. Similarly, one more very important thing you should remember, that is every quadrilateral has two pairs of diagonals. If you observe here, if I join A and C, this is called as diagonal, remember. And similarly, we can draw one more diagonal over here by joining B and D. So every quadrilateral has two diagonals. See, I will quickly revise everything. Every quadrilateral has four sides in which there are two pairs of opposite side and four pairs of adjacent side. There are four angles in which we have two pairs of opposite angle and four pairs of adjacent angle, and every quadrilateral has two diagonals. I hope you are clear with this video till now. Now what I am going to do is, I will make a playlist, and in that playlist I will mention all the quadrilaterals, all the important quadrilaterals. See, from which the first of the quadrilateral is parallelogram, then we have rectangle, then we have rhombus, then we have square, and lastly we have trapezium. So all these quadrilaterals, there will be separate video. So if you have doubt in rhombus, you don't have to go through entire video. You can just click on that rhombus wala video and you will clear with all your doubts of rhombus. Then similarly, if you have doubt on trapezium, so you can just go on that trapezium wala video and click and you can understand trapezium. So I will make each video for each of this quadrilateral and I will upload it very soon, and it will be available in quadrilateral playlist. So make sure that before going you subscribe and share this video with all your friends. We'll meet next time. Tab tak take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.